Most programmers don't fail because they are bad at coding. They fail because they follow the wrong habits, the wrong mindset, and the wrong learning strategy. Today, I will show you exactly why 90% of programmers never reach success and how you can avoid becoming one of them. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you are learning coding or planning to become a developer, this video can literally change the way you grow. Let's break down the real reasons most people fail and how you can escape the trap. The first reason programmers fail is the tutorial loop trap. They keep watching tutorials without building real projects. Learning feels productive, but it's actually fake progress. The only way to grow is learn, build, break, fix, and repeat. Real projects and tutorials always. Most learners avoid difficult problems. They only practice easy tasks and they don't challenge their brain. Successful programmers do the opposite. They get comfortable with being uncomfortable. They pick difficult bugs, slow logic, and big projects because that's where the growth happens. Another big reason programmers fail is lack of consistency. They study 5 hours one day, then disappear for a week. Programming needs frequency, not intensity. Even 1 hour every day beats 7 hours once a week. Many beginners try to learn everything Python, Java, C, DSA, AI, web dev. That leads to burnout. Successful developers follow this simple rule: one language, one roadmap, one project at a time. Focus creates mastery. Most programmers never build their portfolio and then complain about not getting internships or jobs. Your portfolio is your proof. Even simple projects like to-do app, weather app, API-based tools, small automation scripts can show recruiters your real skill. Comparison skills give confidence. Someone is always faster, smarter, or more experienced. But the only person you should compare yourself with is who you were yesterday. So here is the formula to avoid becoming part of that 90%. Build projects early, embrace hard problems, practice consistently, stay focused, grow your portfolio, and compare only with yourself. Follow this and you are already ahead of most programmers. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more coding mindset and tech growth content. Comment below what's the biggest challenge you face as a programmer. This is all about for today. See you in the next one. Till then, keep coding, keep creating.